In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select objects with the same stroke in Adobe Illustrator. If you have a complex artwork and want to quickly gather every shape that shares a specific outline, this method is fast, precise, and built right into Illustrator. Start by clicking one object that already has the stroke you want to match. This object is your reference. In Illustrator, a stroke is the outline around a path, which is different from the fill. Make sure you are actually selecting an object that uses a visible stroke, not just a fill, and that you can see its stroke settings in the interface. The regular selection tool works perfectly here, and zooming in can help you confirm you have the right element. With that reference object selected, go to the top menu, choose Select, then Same, then Stroke Color. Illustrator will automatically select every other object in the document that uses that exact stroke color. This is great when you need to recolor all outlines of one hue or isolate a brand color across multiple elements. Keep in mind that the match is exact, so variations like slightly different tints or different color modes will not be included. Locked or hidden objects will not be selected. If your goal is to gather objects based on the thickness of their outline, use the alternative option. With the same reference object selected, go to the top menu, choose Select, then Same, then Stroke Weight. Illustrator will select all objects that share the same line weight measured in points. This is especially helpful when standardizing line weights in icons, diagrams, or maps, ensuring consistent visual hierarchy. Choose the option that best fits your task. Match by color when you are unifying hues, or match by weight when you are managing visual consistency. Each command targets a single attribute, so the selection focuses exactly on what you specify. Once Illustrator has made the selection for you, it becomes easy to make global changes like adjusting the stroke color, changing the thickness, or applying a profile, knowing that only matching objects are affected. If nothing is selected after you try a command, double check that your reference